Alright guys, just a little quick tip. When I'm building masks, like for example, I'm using the dirt node and it's kind of hard to see when you start building it. So what I recommend doing is just in the beginning, set it to a very bright color that you can see. Now you can clearly see here, I can see what's going on with my mask. So I pretty much set up all my masks with this highly bright color. And then for example, I will come in here, plug in my second mask here just to give it a quick look. Okay, that's what I like. Everything is the where I want it to be. And then once I've got everything put together the way I want it, then I'll come back in here and then just change my color to whatever color you originally wanted to use, or your grunge color, or your dirt color. It just helps you to dial it in without having to sit there and fight with like can't seeing it and stuff like that. So just a little quick tip for you. And again, I've got this using into the material layer of our shader here. So again, layering dirt on top is a very great way to do things instead of having to do a mixed material. In Octane, just using the layer material, it brings open this next node graph here, and then I can just start stacking more layers on top of each other. Quick little tip there.